Hi, Jumper. Hi, Jumper. Can you hear me? Jumper. Jumper. I don't know. I think my dog might be deaf. Are you deaf? Can you hear me? Huh? I know you're blind in your left eye. See his left eye? It's got kind of a cloud in it. I think it's a cataract. You're a good boy. You're a good dog. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Usually when I'm sitting at the table like this, Jumper knows that I could very well be eating. And so he just stays down at the foot of the table waiting. I don't have any food, buddy. Sorry. Yeah, no food. He just stares at me. Anyway, he doesn't trust. There still might be food up there. So, speaking of food, I was in Walmart the other day and I'm thinking about going camping again. So, I came across this little tube of biscuits, Great Value biscuits. And I thought, I don't have an oven. I had a toaster oven inside my Class A, but I gave it away. I didn't use it very much. And it took a lot of space on the counter, so I have more counter space now. But I have an oven under my stove, but you have to get down there to light it and hold the pilot button and all that. I'm not much of an oven baker guy. But I saw these biscuits and I thought about this video I saw where they made, what do they call it? Flatbread? Indian flatbread in a fry pan. And I got to thinking, if I put enough butter in a pan and put a lid on it, maybe I could kind of fry these biscuits into something that might taste good. So I'm going to give it a shot, and if it works, I'm going to take them camping with me from now on. This is my stove oven combination. This is the oven that I don't use. And this is the fry pan that we're going to make biscuits in. These things always scare the heck out of me. I think this is going to work. I just have to learn how to set the heat a little better. Okay, the big test. Oh. Well, they cook pretty fast. But you know what? They're not bad. I think if I turn my heat down a bit, I can get pretty good at baking these things in a fry pan. Huh. Okay, well this isn't much of a test because Jumper will eat just about anything, but I have a piece of biscuit. Let's see what he does. Hi Jumper, you want some biscuit? Did you like it? You want some more? It's a pretty big piece. I hope you don't choke. Jumper approves. He says these will be good for camping. That's all, buddy. That's all you get. Do you need a drink right now? Are you a little dry in the throat? That's all. That's all I have. Jumper and I thank you very much for watching our videos. Y'all have a great day.